Welcome to our second tutorial. It's not a third tutorial. Yeah. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add students to the GetWise platform, or how to upload the students. So when you log in initially, you will be met with this welcome section. At this particular spot, you can upload images of your school that will display here. We shall get into that later. So to upload students or to add a student, you go to the students section, and then adding a student is quite straightforward. Two major ways: you can upload the student in bulk, or better still, you can add it one by one, which will be a more tough work to do. So to begin with, you are going to add a student, one student. So you click okay, so when you click on the add students, a modal pops out for you to add a student. So I'm going to add a student. The first name will be Amos. Let's say the name is Amos, and let's say it is Kobe. Let's say Kumsen. No, that's alright. Is that a spelling of Amos? That's okay. Now the date of birth, very important. Amos was born on the, let's say, somewhere on the 2012 July 17th. Yeah. The admission date is today. We are admitting him today, or better still, you can select any date in the past. Yeah, and Amos is definitely a male. Amos lives in Kasua, so let's just enter Kasua under the, yeah. And if Amos is having a phone number personally, so student phone number, which most of the students nowadays do have for emergency purposes, you can enter it, and the Ghana code is automatically selected. So let's just for now input a random number, since people tell you when the number is up to, you can enter more than 10 digits. Alright, then student email, you can input that, but let's just say it is Amos at gmail.com. Okay, then Amos' father, let's say his father is Mr. Kumsen. Alright, and his father's contacts, just enter a random number there. So let's just say okay, that's his contacts. These are all for example tutorial purposes, so they are random contacts. Okay, but this filling in the contact information for parents and students is very crucial. Yes, the system is all in one, so which means there are times you can use this contact information to send messages, as well as sending their receipts whenever they make payments, and also their report cards can be sent via this information they are filling. So it's very important to collect all this information. Okay, so let's see, the father's email is Kumsen at gmail.com. Okay, Then let's say his mother is Mrs. Let's say Skomson. Alright, and the mother's phone number, let's enter random digits for now, and the mother is K. Let's just give her a name like yeah, Mrs. gmail.com. Right, it's quite straightforward adding all these things one by one. Okay, so Amos, let's put in the grade levels that we set earlier in settings should appear here. So let's say Amos in basic 6. Just select it. Once everything checks out, the next thing to do is just to save. Alright, we've successfully added our first student. Now you could see the ID, student ID has been generated automatically using the school prefix we set in the settings. Amos' age has been calculated is 13 years based on the date of birth provided. Yes, and every other thing is populated nicely. Now, one thing too you always have to check right after adding a student is to check if the student has been built, because the system is designed to build a student automatically once it's added. Okay, as for the enrollment, you will not be enrolled into a 10 yet. So let's check if the student has been built. So we come to fees, and then when we come to fees, we should see Amos Skomson basic 6 should be built with upper primary term 3 fee. Yes, it's in term 3, so the amount to be is 800. So his name should be automatically populated here. Yes, which is alright. And the bills and balances as well. Yes, since he has not made any payment, so he's been billed automatically. So this is how we add students. Okay, so that's how we can add a single student. But what if you want to upload students in bulk? Yes, that one too is available. Once you're in the student section, you just have to go to the drop down and you can see the upload button. Click on the upload, and then just wait for a while. Choose your upload file. Okay, now before then, make sure your file is prepared. That is, you have your the names prepared in an Excel sheet. Yes, you can only upload through Excel sheets. So I have some names here. I'm going to, and all these fields, yes, should be filled. Yeah, everything should be nicely populated. Yeah, before you upload them. Okay. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to just upload these names, and later we can fill in the rest of the details. Okay, so once that is done already, all you have to do is go to the upload button. Okay. Alright, so you navigate to where your files are. Mine is in the downloads, I guess. Okay, so I will just upload file here. Click on it, let's double click on it, or click and then select open. So here you can verify the file uploaded. So these are the names, student ID we generated, class and others. Most of them are empty. So just verify the data, yes, that you are about to upload. And the column mapping, make sure the first column is first name, right, that order, everything is in place. Once you are done, and the total students I'm uploading is 6 students. Once that is done, just confirm the upload. So it tells us that 6 students uploaded successfully with their IDs automatically generated, uniquely generated. So all the students that have been uploaded should be assigned with fees, yes, at once. So again, when we go to the fees column, you can see that yes, all the students that have been uploaded now have fees assigned to their names. So nursery 500 as we said earlier, yes, and you get a total amount fee that is being billed. Okay, alright, so this is how you can upload in bulk or add a student in general. Thank you very much.